All right. All right. See if this thing is working. We should be live any moment now. Let me confirm I have audio. A little bit noisy. So, hey, what's up? This is Dave. I'm doing a Nanowrimo calendar updates. You haven't seen this Nanowrimo thing I've done before. Looks something like this. Oops. That's not what I wanted. I wanted this. So if I go to Nanowrimo World Counting Calendar, I just turn the volume down on this a little bit. I can hear myself talk. So this is the calendar I do every year. I have not updated the 2018 version yet. And I'm going to remember, I don't actually remember how I set this up. So, let's see. I guess I need to find my files. See, I'll spend about an hour on this. So it's probably in my desktop, Dropbox, the personal, all products, blanking. Calendars. We're tracking calendar, Nanowrimo Calendar. I'd started doing this. And it looks like I have some master files set up. Did I change this though? I could have sworn that. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, these are the actual output versions of it. So over here we have the monochromatic version. So I should just be able to put together the color variations, and then I should be set. So let's go back to here. Let's get rid of some of these extra desktops. So here's that, and we need to pull up Illustrator. Updated Illustrator 2018 or 2019, whatever that is. Hey Ali, how you doing? We're making some calendar updates for NaNoWriMo here. National Novel Writing Month, so I'll be playing around with Illustrator. Let's see, let's move Illustrator to the correct screen. Oop. Let's expand this thing. And I need to find where those files were. Where were they? I think they had, this must be the master file. I hope. This is the master. So if I recall correctly, I'd set this up so everything is split apart nicely now. There are some swatches that I set up before, which are these. And what I need to do is actually save a swatch library. Oh, thanks, Ali. I'm glad you like it. Are you a NaNoWriMo person? Are you going to do it this year? No. Well, like I'm wondering if people answer. I am going to try to find... oops. I guess I need another screen. I don't think Illustrator actually works with the Mac desktop stuff, so I need to make another desktop over here. Oops, that's too big. No, not that big. Ugh, terrible. Let's move this over here, and then let's move this over to here. And, okay, so what I need to look at is 2017's version, and I had made a range of colors. What I'm wondering is if I can export the color combinations and create easily to change, I don't even know what to call it. I know you can create swatch palettes in Illustrator. You can see here I have these colors, but I wonder if I can switch them all at once. I wonder if I could, I made these a folder. I wonder if I can copy these and paste them into the master. Sort of doubt it. This thing, try to get rid of this. Guess not. I guess I needed to have to import them. Actually, though, nope. Maybe I can import them through this menu. Import, open swatch library. other library, I think I can open these as separate files, and it will just grab the swatches out of it. I could be imagining that, though. Let's see if I can find it. 2017. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Ugh, Mac. List view. So, can I open this as a swatch library? Oh, I can. Can I... we want to merge swatches or add swatches? What happens if I add them? Okay, it's converted them all to black and white. That's not what I wanted. I hope this is not a... Maybe I just need to rename these here. That's why I merge them. It doesn't seem to have done anything. And it keeps doing this. This is stupid. Thanks, Illustrator. So how else can I import these? And maybe what I need to do is actually open them separately. Ugh, junk. Let me close this file. Don't save that. Let me see if I can rename these. This is title, weekdays, weekend. Can I rename it? Let me show this by name. That did Jack. Oh, that's strange. I can't even slow. Is this broken? Sort by name. I want to show it by small list view. That's better. So master colors. I wonder if I can. It's not letting me rename that though. Can I rename any of these? This is probably because I opened this as a library. What does this do? Well, I guess the other way of doing it would be I could just copy these colors manually. If I can show this by CMYK. Large list view. What's persistent do? No idea. There must be some way of doing this. I have these, and it doesn't even let me double click on them to see what the definitions are. Unless I can click on this. Now what good is this? Is this like some sort of read-only thing? This leaves a little bit to... You can open any document, looking what for as a swatch light for a swatch, and the swatch will be on our palette. Oh, so you're thinking that I could just apply it directly? Let me try that. Because that's what I did. Maybe... But because these all are copies of the master file from last year. Well, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Can I actually drag this over to override this color? No, there's a conflict. I had to rename these things first. This is what I'm saying. If I add the swatch, it's title 2. But I really want to overwrite this. And I can't do it. It's just adding the swatches. I really want to add this, change this definition to match this. So maybe what I need to do is just write these colors down. I don't know. Does that make any sense? Because I've set up these master colors. So when I edit this, it updates all the colors. And so really what I want to do is a substitution. And since these all have the same symbol names, probably what I need to do is just write them down. So let's do that. Let's not save that, and I'll build the actual palette list in here. Although I'm wondering if there's a way of doing color variations in... Maybe I just need a list. Let's look at Google real quick. Otherwise, I'm not quite understanding what you're saying, Ali. I think I understand what you're saying. You're saying that you can open up a swatch library, which is what I did. What I'm not sure is if we can actually replace the master reference in the master file and have it swap out the same references for another set of colors. That would be sort of an advanced programmatic thing that Illustrator really has never been good at doing, as far as I know, anyway. What am I looking for? Color variations sets in Illustrator. Let's see if anything pops up for that. Color groups. Recolor artwork. Color themes. These seem promising. Let's just see what this is. Explore my themes. I think this is how I did it originally when I was making these color themes. Let's reopen that other file. This is the 2018 master. And color... These are color themes? This is kind of a new one to me. Uh-oh. What's it doing? Oh, is this going to screw my... No. These are 5 colors, but I only have 4 specified. I believe this actually had some way of... What? My themes are use... Oh, this is... I guess you can get downloaded ones. Create... Add to swatches, set selected from active... Set active color, color rule. What's this do? What's this do? I think this is actually sampling colors out of the current app, and then it allows you to replace them. What happens if I do this? It's not really working with sets. How do I apply this? Wheel, slider, set from selected color. You can see these, so I right click over here. How do I apply the theme? Oh, it's here now. Man, I don't think this will let me do it. When I add to swatches, you can see it adding it over here. That's not what I wanted to do, though. I'm just going to have to add these manually, I think. And then, well, I guess one thing I'd like to do is if I could copy this color, can I eyedropper it? And I'd like to replace this one. If I roll over these, I can maybe write the numbers down. So maybe that's the way to do it. Let me see. Okay, let me pull down this note reference here. Put this on the side. And let's start writing some colors down. So the blue variation, I should just note these anyway. Let's get rid of this. This doesn't look like it's going to be very useful for me right now. So I want to pull out these colors. And alright, so the blue ones we have, what's the best way to write this down? 84.05, 64, this is tedious too, 29.18, 10.29. That's blue number 1. I would just love to just be able to sample these. There's another way of sampling this, isn't there? Maybe if it's here? Can I drag this to here? This is a new version of Illustrator. So if I went from here, can I, will this actually override it, or it will insert it? Is there a way I can make this override the color? Because that's what I really want to do. Maybe I have to double click on this, and then grab it from here. Let's see, for process color conflicts, the swatch conflict dialog box appears. And color values for existing are automatically retained. Add swatches by appending the commands. Merge swatches to merge the swatches of the existing swatches. Let's see if that does anything. It seems promising. Alright, so let's go back to here. Let's not save that master. Let's open up this swatch as, where is it? Let me delete these. Let me open the swatch library. That's this one. We have these. It's going to say the merge thing. And so Ali is saying choose merge swatches to merge the swatches using the color values of the existing swatches. All right. I don't see anything happening here. Seems to have like applied some sort of tinting thing. I mean, if it did change anything, I don't see anything. Did I do it wrong? Or do I need to add swatches? And this doesn't seem to be working. This is what I was saying. Title has a conflict. Color values for the existing swatches are automatically retained. I'm just reading the chat thing here. I don't know. No, it's not working for me. At least I have this opened. This is pain. This dialog box is not going to go away. This is not working. What I really want to do is just duplicate these swatches. Except it keeps piling this stupid dialog box up. Which is why I think I need to actually not be in my master, loading that as a library, because it's clearly not working. So I do this. So this is the swatch loaded in the actual file. Let me close this library. Can I do that? Close. No, that didn't do it, did it? Libraries. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I wanted swatches. I guess I did close it. Maybe I just duplicate it. Maybe that's easier. So these should all be renamed now? Or did it actually... No, they have the same name. Great. Oh wait, edit master colors. This is interesting. Oh, that's a copy now. Are these also copies? No. That's interesting. What's this do? New color group. These are color groups. Blue palette. Let's see if this does something. Closing. Did that do anything? Let's see. What happens if can I change one of these colors? Or am I guessing I drag them around like this? Oh, this is interesting. It's not previewing it though. Well, it's not switching them across. It's modify. I still need to assign these manually. That is too damn bad. Annoying, 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 annoying. I think I just gotta write down these color values. Blue, so let's see. Blue palette. At least I can duplicate these every year then. 5502, 6.5, 3414, 0, 3. I guess I can add these to my library, but they'll still have the same name. There must be some way of doing this, but I wouldn't be surprised if there wasn't a direct way of doing it. In the meantime, I can just do this. 10.69, 10.56, 0. This might not take that long. The last color is for 83.89, 64.02, 29.08, 10.1. Now the question is, I think just thinking ahead, when I want to do this next year, did I just lose my stream? Looks like we locked up. I don't know. I guess it's just delayed. Let's make sure that I can still hear audio. Sometimes this thing stops working. Yeah, it's still working. So anyway, I don't want to make this modification every year. I want to update the calendar, which is fairly easy now because I've worked out all these as separate pasteable layers. The text itself doesn't change. The black text isn't colored. Oh, the rest of the color stuff, it needs to be updated to make the color variations. So maybe the thing to do is just save the color variations as in here. But I don't think my layers are set up like that. Oh, this is the old one, so the layers aren't even set up correctly with this. But let's close this. Don't save that. Let's reopen the master. Maybe I just make more color groups that are just samples to sample from. Let's try that. Let's call this blue. And inside of there, we want to add, cannot just, we want these to be, these are not process, okay, these are process colors, but they are global. 84.05, C4.22, oops, 29.18, 10.29. I want to name these by, why is this, I don't want this, I want the swatch name to be by the color. Wasn't there an option for that long ago? Okay, and it seemed to remember, okay, that did work. These are spot colors, I believe. No, they're process, oh, they're global process colors. I think they used to have to be. Process, wait, I don't want this to be global. So what I'm wondering is if I can double click on this, or somehow drag this over there, but it doesn't look like I can. I can't do a global redefinition of this. That's upsetting. Can I replace every instance of this color? Select, oh, I had to figure out which are the color levels, layers. There's several of them, unfortunately. Trying to work out the process to actually select same fill color as this. Actually, I don't think that's what I want. That's if I do this. It didn't do what I expected. I don't want to do this manually. That would suck. Maybe the thing to do is just actually have this list here, just so I can refer to it. Okay, let's try that. So over here, let's relock all these things. Print guide. Let's save this as a new copy. We'll call this the color master. And in the print guide layer, I'll have my instructions for what all the variations are. It's not letting me draw though. Why is that? Is it a dialog box open? Oh, it's because it's invisible. So here, blue, and we should make this all Courier and U, just so it's readable. So make that blue. Oops. Getting a little bit of lag here. That's the blue variation. I don't want to put this into the master. I could have sworn there was some way of making variations for this. Because this is a pretty common thing that people do. Make variations of things. Alright, let's take a look. Or maybe I'm thinking of InDesign. InDesign has the ability to make variations. Hey Courtney, thanks. Hat tip. Let's go back to this. Making color variations, palettes, Illustrator. Recolor artwork. How do you recolor an image? Recolor artwork in the top middle screen. Edit colors, recolor artwork. Really? Edit? Where was it? Edit colors, recolor. Oh, what's a recolor? It's preset. Doesn't give me an option though. One color job to color harmony. Alright, let's see if we can do that. Alright, let's see, maybe the swatch thing will work. After all, I lost my swatch guide. Okay, swatches, open swatch library, calendar blue. Let's not click on that because it obviously doesn't work. And let's go edit colors with preset. No, it's not choosing anything. Why? Oh, because maybe I have something selected. Edit colors or color with preset. No. And it seems to have done something terrible to the outside of my screen. Oh, that's because this is the print guide. Yeah, that's my border. That's supposed to be there. Okay. Whoa. So apparently none of that works. But maybe it's not working because everything is locked. Let's unlock everything. And let's try this again. So now can I recolor preset? No, I can't. Do I have to select everything before it'll let me recolor it? Edit colors. Oh, now I get some options. Color library. Use a color varieties with reset. I doubt this will do anything. Alright, now we have our conflicts again. Ugh. Clearly I don't understand the way color works in Illustrator. And it did nothing. Alright, can I undo all this stuff? Alright, so this is not going to work. And it's going to do this the hard, manual, stupid way. Alright, so that means I need to save out variations of each of these things. Can I do... I wonder if there's a JavaScript thing I can do. Because that would rule. Let's see. Let's see if JavaScript automation gives us. Illustrator JavaScript automation. So what JavaScript automation is, like I know that all the Adobe apps have the ability to be scripted. It's not something that people talk about very much. But if it's something that can be represented on the DevNet, if it's something that appears in the Illustrator application, it should be accessible. Let's see. They probably haven't updated it yet, but I doubt many things have changed. Let's see if the scripting guide says anything. The object model, viewing the object model. Illustrator scripting object model, top level, artwork, color objects. That's what we want. I think this is for generating things, but I want to modify the palettes. Oops. What is this even in? I jumped someplace, but I can't jump back. Nice. What is scripting? What I want probably is some sort of reference. VB script. This is not very... This is like a beginner's guide. I want the API reference. Yeah, okay, this is what we want. This file. Alright, so do we have anything that accesses swatches? Swatches. Collection of swatch objects in a document. Swatches property. The number of objects in the collection. The parent of this object. Type swatches methods. Add, get by name, get selected, index, remove all. How can I update a swatch? Swatch groups. Add spot. Add a swatch to the swatch group. Can I edit a swatch? No. Oh, I can pull the color out of this. Maybe I can modify it? CMY color, parent class. Can I set this? Setting a CMY color. Yeah, I might be able to write a script to do this. That would be interesting. And let's see, how do you actually access the scripting environment? Viewing the object model. JavaScript development options. You can use the Extend the Script toolkit to create JavaScripts explicitly for Illustrator, or you can use Adobe Extension Builder and create Cloud SDK to develop extensions in ActionScript. ActionScript, really? Oh, this is for making panels. Scripting plugins. This Java command, so is there a console of any type? Extend script. How do you use it? Viewing the object model. Start the ESTK. Where is the ESTK? Utilities, Apple, Adobe, Extend Script Toolkit CC. Oops. No. Utilities. I guess this is not going to work. Alfred lets me down. So it says, if I go to Applications, Utilities. God, I hate the Finder. Where's the Utilities folder? Adobe Utilities. I don't see an Adobe Utilities CC. Do you see Adobe Utilities CC? Do I have to install it first? Download ESTK. Scripting. I bet this isn't supported. Well, maybe. I want to write scripts for Illustrator too. Okay, it's not there. Here's the links in the latest version. I can download directly through the Creative Cloud desktop app. Really? Creative Cloud desktop app. Where would that be? I see no such sign of it. This sounds like a BS answer. He's not even using his own picture. Show older apps. Oh, it's not even supported in High Sierra. Nice. How to use application presence. Show older apps. That's on 10.11. Maybe it does work. Alright, show older apps. How do I do that? Preferences? App version settings. Show older apps. I just missed it the first time. Extend script CC. That must be it. Oh no, it's taking me someplace. I wonder if it was there before. I just missed it. Let's download this thing. This is taking a long time. All I wanted to do was change some swatches. This is 2 gigabytes. Crap. I guess we'll do this later. Alright. So I'm going to pause this sucker because I don't want to cancel. Yeah, this is kind of interesting. This would help automate a lot of color variation work that I do. If it works the way I think it does. But for now, I just want to get these darn calendars out, so I guess I'll do this the hard way. let's see. I think we need to copy the black ones down too. Alright, so I need to get this notes thing out of the way again. So this is blue, black. Wish this was like a... Black is 000100 to... It's 33. 3 is 50. 4 is... Looks like black again. 000100. You got blue. Alright, so that's the black one. Let's open up these other files. And that would be here. So we want the green variation. That's opening Photoshop. What? You piece of junk. Probably because I opened it with previews to the font. Now I'm annoyed. Alright, so here's the green variation. 74.23, 28.18, 100, 13.99. These colors were meticulously chosen to look good, so I don't really want to diddle with them again and refigure them out every freaking year. 48.73, 78.26. What I'm thinking is, like, if I can get that scripting extension to work, then I can just press a button and it'll just generate them all at once. And I can create infinite variations the way that was intended. In the meantime, I just need to copy these things down. 97, 17.02, 96.01, 1.1. And that would be like kind of a nice thing to do to get into doing Adobe extensions for things. I think that would be pretty cool. So 39.44. I see some more people in the room. Hello, people. I'm editing my NaNoWrimo word counting calendar to release every year for November, which is when National Novel Writing Month is. And right now I'm trying to figure out a way to automate the coloring of these calendars. This is the 2017 color variation, so I'm making the this year's 2018, which is this is the master file, which I've redesigned to make it easier to update every year. But running into some problems just trying to automate the coloring. These kids versions, I don't think I need to change, because the kid version I actually have already incorporated in here. So if I just like turn, like let's see, if I turn off. Right now, this is the kid version, which you can tell if you, if you look into this. This is only 500 words. Oh wait, I didn't change that. That needs to change. Oops, good thing I didn't update that. It should say 5,000 words for the win. That's the 5K overlay. Okay, overlay. No! Now everything has a move. Hey. Where does it? I guess I could just slide the whole thing over. Why is this not selecting? Alright, I can just align this one. Oh, BS. Some visual alignment. I can leave those there, or should I move them? Interesting. Try to find a nice place to align them. Not sure what that means. Okay, so anyway, so there's the 5K version of it versus the 50,000 version of it, and you can see all these numbers are updated. So these are on the same thing. So theoretically, I can output the color versions fairly easily, so long as I have the colors written down. So anyway, I need to load the next color in the list, which is I guess there's only orange. There's not as many as I remember. I was opening Photoshop again. What the heck? You piece of crap. Stupid, stupid, stupid. It's probably set to some default. I gotta reset it. Open with other. And this should open with Illustrator by default, you piece of junk. Always open with. Yeah. And that better work this time. Oh wait, this is only going to only open this app with it. Let's see, I think I need to get info on this. Open with, ugh, that makes me so angry. Use this app to open all, yes, change all of them, you piece of junk. Jeez. Alright, see if that actually works this time. Good! As expected. Ugh. So anyway, orange. I'm so foul-mouthed when I do design work. Sorry. Because I've been doing this long enough. I feel I've earned my cranky right to complain about everything. I've been doing this since, like, what, 1980? My first graphics program was what? Well, back then we didn't have graphics programs. We had to plot things out by hand using graph paper and poke statements. And I guess my first real pixel editor was something called Take One on the Apple II. And there were various other ones, but that was my favorite one. And after that was Deluxe Paint on various platforms. What's the next one? Pink. Yeah, it opened in the right place. That makes me happy. Rage subsiding. This won't be too bad to enter in once I have this reference. 1.48, 90.57, 6.780. But then I could actually develop a color palette using these values. And maybe make variations of everything with the press of a button. That would be pretty badass. Alright, so we're going 0, 70.57, 0, 0, 3. These are the same, 70.57. These are all the same. Yeah. 2, 3, oops, 3, 4. Is that pink or fuchsia? Purple. This is a more exciting variation. Purple. 1. 70.12, 86.8, 18.01, 3.74. Oh, some of these tinted? No, they shouldn't be. 29.08, 42.05, 0, 0, 3, 17.24, 62.74, 0, 0. Hopefully I haven't miskeyed any of these things, because that would be horrible. This is the last color, 10.32, 86.64, 0, 0. All right, we have captured all the colors. We can close these files. Don't save. Don't save. Don't save. This one we want to keep. And we want to copy these colors into this print guide file, or we'll just put it over, I'll put it on the base shapes layer, because that's maybe where it really needs to go. Oops. And I guess the way to do it would be to unhide this, copy that, cut it out of there, lock that and hide it, and go to here and then paste it back in. Now the question is, can I do a paste styles or paste? Well, this will actually do that. I'm just curious, is there a paste without formatting? Probably not. Oh, it just actually doesn't remember it. Good. Alright, so we have all the color variations in here now. So theoretically... Oops. What I should be able to do... Such a weird cursor. What's wrong with this? There we go. I don't need these values here anymore. Close that. And we now have all the color variations. So I think I want to have this on this side, because when I start modifying these, so we have the black ones. So I need to re-export the kid version, which is Mono Kids PDF, that one. Replace it, smallest file size, save, and this might open up in Illustrator. Did it? Let's go back to 2018. This is the one I just saved here. Oh wait, this is 50,000 words. What? Oh, this is PDF. This is stupid. Illustrator Acrobat caches files. No wait, no, this is screwed up. This is the 50K one. But sometimes it does cache files, which is annoying. So we want to show the 5K overlays. Okay. Save. We want to save this as a copy, which is this Command Shift. Is it just Command Option S? What's the save as copy one? Shortcut. Save a copy. That's what I typed, isn't it? Save as. No, it's not right. Oh, is that the Shift key? This used to say... This used to actually say save as copy on the dialog box, I could swear. And now it no longer confirms that you're doing that. That is super annoying. Maybe I imagined it though. So this is the kids version. Save that, replace it. Smallest file size, save PDF. Let's see if this looks correct. This is definitely cached. I wish I could turn that off. Let's read over with preview. There it says 5,000. If I open it up in Illustrator, okay, now it's updated. That's super annoying. I wish I could turn that off. I mean, how much time has people wasted like trying to edit these things? There must be some way of turning off this stupid caching. Because automatic save optimize, localization, general. This is probably an advanced thing. Wizards. I bet people have complained about this. Photoshop's still open. Did I close that window? Disable cache Acrobat. PDF caching. Nope. How to disable here? This is a MediaWiki. Is it called DC now? Select storage preference. Oh, this looks like some BS thing. Let's see. Prevent PDF images from being stored locally. Select edit preference, general startup. General, is there a startup thing also here? This is the full version of it here. No, there is no option to disable it. Ugh. Fixed resolution prompt open. Don't show that. It'll waste my time. Touch mode. No. Use only certified plugins. Content. Convert from PDF. There must be some way to turn this thing off. Why is it caching? It's stupid. You can see it's saving time if you're constantly opening the same file over and over again. But I don't know if you're saving that much time. I don't know, I'll find this later. In the meantime, the suckage of this program continues to astound me. I shouldn't complain though. It is pretty cool. Alright, so we have the black and white ones and the regular ones. There's the mono version of this. This should be fine. we need to make the first variation, which will be the blue one. I guess I need to make this a little bit bigger so I can read it at this size. Right. Save that. And let's change this color. So this one should be 84.05, 64.22, 29.18, 10.29. Oh, now I can't read that. This needs to be this color. Oops, I didn't want to save that. Actually, that's a nice variation. Blue with a little bit of black. What was this before? Let's save this as a variation. I like it. Save a copy. PDF. I want to save this as... This is the kid version. This looks like the kid version. So the kid version, this will be mono blue, I guess. Mono blue, kids, PDF, save. Yep. Save this. Will this work? Yeah. My house guesses come here. I am on stream right now. So, let's see. Oh, thanks. I do. This is a nice hat. I have many hats, or I'm starting to get there. Alright, so now let's do the... this is the 50K version. This should be alright. This is a very manly color scheme. Save a copy. PDF. This one will be... I guess this one's just mono blue. That's the normal copy. And smallest file size. Didn't accidentally save as, did I? No, good. Alright, let's modify these other colors. So the next one here on the list is 5502. Let's, you gotta let the cat meow, it's fine. 65, 13.4, 0. There's that. This is the second group, which is, I can't even read this, 29, oh wait, 66.74, 10.69, 10.56, 0. Okay, and then the last color is, it's a very noisy cat, 83.89. 6402, 29.08, 10.1. There's the complete blue variation. That wasn't so terrible. Let's save as... Save a copy, I mean. Save a copy as a PDF. And this one is blue. And smallest file size, I guess it's remembering it, that's good. There's the blue version. All this stuff on the side won't show up on the actual download. That was, so now we need to do the... I just momentarily wonder if I could group these, because it'd be easier to turn these on and off. Can I actually put these under, I don't think I can. Or selection sets, or is that an InDesign feature? Outline, paste remembers layers, I guess not. I'm not going to worry about it. So I just saved the regular one, so now we need to do the 5K, which is this one. So I'm missing anything, 5K, 5K, 5K. Oh wait. Did I leave the dates out of all of these? Crap. I need to lock these somehow. Alright, so apparently I screwed this up and I had to start all over again. Alright, so save a copy. This is why I want a script to do this. This is bullshit. BD, PDF. This is blue. Blue PDF? No, this is blue kids. Mono. Oh. I guess I haven't done the blue kids yet. Blue kids. Save. Smallest file, save. So let's do these. That's the blue adults. File, save a copy. This is blue. Oops, PDF. Save, replace. Smallest file size. Now I need to redo the mono one probably, which is too bad. Actually, I just need to make these all what they were before, which is, I just made more work for myself. 0, 0, oops, is that right? No, 0, no, these were 33, 33, 50, no, 0, 0, 0, 50, and 0, 0, 0, 100, 0, 0, 0, 100. That's the blue variation. This is the 50K version. Save a copy. PDF. This is blue mono, mono blue 50K. Is that right? This is going blind doing this. Save PDF, smallest file size. Ellie says, choose file scripts, choose a script, alternately choose file scripts other script, and navigate to a script. If you place a script in Adobe Illustrator Scripts Center, the script will appear in the script submenu. If you place a script in another location, you can run the script by choosing file scripts other script. Let's take a look at that. Interesting. File scripts. Okay. So that's how I can do it. Huh. Okay, thanks for that tip, Ellie. I'll play with that later. You still need to write the script to access the swatch objects and see what it does. Okay, so where was I? I should probably make a checklist so I don't forget what I'm doing. I guess I'll look over here and see where we left off. So I just did mono blue. This is the regular one, right? Yep. And then this is the kids one, which is probably the one without the numbers. No, this one actually looks okay. Maybe I didn't screw them all up. I'll check those later. So let's just do the next one. Alright, so the next one on the list is green. Let's do that. So green is 74.23, 28.18, 100, 13.99. This is what? 48.73. 0, 78.26. 0. This is 51.97, 17.02, 96.01, 1.1. Do you do a lot of scripting stuff, Ali, with Illustrator? Or are you just all around knowledgeable about such things? Didn't think I knew anyone who actually did any scripting type stuff with this. 59.68.9, 23.9. All right. Make sure everything's selected correctly. This is the 50K version. Save a copy. PDF. This one is going to be green. Is this the only green one? I think so. Green. This one's file size save. Let's do the kid version. That looks correct. At least I hope it is. Otherwise, I'd hate to redo all of these things again. Save a copy. Not really like it. Okay. So, Ali says, I guess he's not an Illustrator script guru, but he does it when he needs to, which is cool. Let's see, green PDF, green kids. Nanowrimo Calendar, green kids PDF. Smallest file size, save PDF. Let's take a look and see. Here's the green ones, green kids. Do we see green kids? That looks right. And regular green. 50K. So it looks like all the colors are updating correctly. Should be nice. Alright, so now we are on to which one? We're on to orange. There's 3 left. What time is it now? It's 5:16. I wonder if I can finish this in the next 15 minutes. And then I can package this up, post it, put it online, and everyone will be happy. And, okay, so this is 0, 86, 100, 0. Ooh, that's an exciting color. This one's 0, 54, 80, 0. This one is 0, 66, 100, 0. And the last one is 24, 89, 100, 0. Is that right? Yeah, it looks right. So let's save a copy. PDF. This one's orange. And this is the kid one. Orange kids. Is the kids one? Yes. There's the kid one. Now let's select. Looks right. This is the adult one. Save onto copy. PDF. Orange. Not kids. So Spotify, save. 2 to go. Let's do the pink one next. Pink. What is pink? 1.48, 90.57, 6.78, 0. Ooh, that's a nice color. And then we have 0, 70.57. Oh, these are all the same. Nice. This one's practically free. 70.57, 0, 70.57. Ah! That's the wrong one. 0. All that time was lost. 0, 0, 0, 0. I did it again. There. It's lovely. Okay, save a copy. Getting close. This one's the pink one, right? And this pink one has, this is the 50K one. So this is all the kids, making sure all the correct layers are saved or activated. Oh, and it's happening. Oh, I didn't save a copy, did I? Save a copy. Oh, I didn't choose PDF probably. This one's pink. Pink PDF. File size, good. Now we do the kid version. Save a copy. Adobe PDF. Where's the pink? Oh, pink. Kids. As well as file size, save. Let's take a look. Make sure this is looking correct. We did the orange one. Let's look at the orange one. This is the orange kids one. Oops. And the orange adult one. That looks right. Pink kids. Pink adults. Okay. I think we have one last one, and I think we're done then. It's purple. Purple is 70.12, 86.8, 18.01, 3.74. Then we have 29.08, 42.05, 0, 0. Ooh. And this one's 17.24, 62.74. And then this last one this is the last color. This is very exciting. 10.32, 86.64, 0, 0. All right. And we have the kid version saved right now, so let's save a copy. This is Purple Kids. Purple Kids. PDF. Save. Save a file. And then we need to do the adult version. I'll save a copy. And purple. No kids. Is that right? Yep. All right. Save. Okay, good. Let's go and just see these last ones. Here's Purple Kids. 5,000. And there's the regular purple one. Doesn't everything looks alright? Why is the sanity check up here though? No, okay, I guess you do want to have it that week. You will need a week to figure out like if you're screwed or not. So I think that's all of them. I think that's all the calendars. So let me save this. Here's my new master. And like quit out Illustrator. And let me put together the package. So how did I have it organized last year? I had the 2018 Nanowrimo calendars. I guess I put that in here. That's my export folder. And then decided I had the 50K and the Y. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this should be up really soon. I'll post something on Twitter. 2018 Nanowrimo 50K. And then the 2018 Nanowrimo Young Writers Program 5K, is that what it was? And so then, theoretically, I need all the kid ones. Now these are harder to sort, damn it. So one, kids, 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 kids. I hope everyone finds a color that they like. And then blue, green, mono. I think there's... I guess there's an old one. Mono, blue, orange, pink, purple. Okay, so then these go up here. Oops, those, I mean, these go in, where they go in here. And then inside here, we compress each of these. Oops, that was weird. 50K, and then also this. So now these packages are available. All right, I think we are almost done. So I guess it was my house guest, Alex. Yeah, okay, so I'm about to upload these to Twitter, to Patreon, update all the other source code. I think I have some marketing stuff I need to update here too, which is probably this file here. Oops, wrong screen. This is when I want to open Photoshop. Open. Yes, update. Oh, I don't need to update all these layers. How come they're not showing? Oh, this is gonna suck. I should have made that. Is this not a link? This should be a link. Is it a smart layer? No, it's not? Seriously? How's the best way to do this? I'm surprised this is not a linked file. Alright, so let's, I guess, reduplicate this. So file, import, place, linked. Oh, maybe it won't, maybe it doesn't place PDFs. Oh, so where's my recent folders? Oh, is my sound okay? Let's see, 2018 Nanowrimo Calendars, 50, I want to show both the kid one and the, oh, this is the kid version. Wait a moment. Let's cancel this. Yeah, maybe I made a, I think I might have to make a new graphic for this. Alright, let's first start just by relinking things. File. I want to place a linked file. And I want to grow up from 2018 Nanowrimo Calendars. I'll start with this one. I use the green one and the purple one. The green one is the traditional one. Oh, that's weird. What just happened? Something weird. Oh, I'm getting a dialog box over here. We want to do it to the media box. Click OK. Oh, that's weird. And I guess... Oh no, this is terrible. Maybe this is why I didn't do it this way, because there's actually no background on these. I should probably bake it into the actual file. I changed this from last year. So there's that. Let's make this all white. And so we have the linked file there. So next year, this will be easier to update. We also want to copy. Actually, there's no background layer in this. This, though, we need to have a background. White background. And this will have to be the size of this. So let's do that. And this is what needs a drop shadow on it. Oops. Copy layer style, put it on this one. Paste layer style. This means we can clear this layer style, I think. How come I can't clear the layer style? Clear layer style. Oops, wrong one. Clear layer style. Alright, and so this I can replace with the other linked file. Is that the right font? It's different. Image, file, place, linked. And we're replacing the purple one. Let's crop to the media box. Okay. Let's make this fit that. How much did I... Oh, this is not scale. It's not obeying the, what? Piece of junk. I had to replace this now. So apparently, my shift constraint didn't work in that, which is super annoying. Alright, that's why this looks stretched compared to the other one. Alright, let's try that again. This time with feeling. Of all the stupid things. So, okay, here's the green. Now why is this not... Look at that, it's not constraining at all. What the hell? Why do I keep breaking this program? This is not shift constraining. Ugh. Jerks. A file, place... May it never did that, but it looks like it's doing it from the center. So... If I... Oh, now it's... Oh, if I hold the shift key, it breaks it. Oh, I guess that makes sense. But it sort of goes against all the other user interface conventions that we've had in the past. Has it always been like this? I guess I don't really place that many files. Now it's, of course, the wrong size. Alright, so maybe that was my fault. I'm playing way too much when I'm doing this. Alright. And so, but it as layer. Oops. Let's see. Which is the one I just placed? Is it this one? That one looks scaled better. Okay, so there's that one. And then this one is the next one. Do layers by default not scale? I thought when I was placing a linked image it would obey purple, bounding box, and okay, at least it's like sort of behaving now. I'm not sure why this looks different though. What happened there? No, it's just a glitch, rendering glitch. Alright, so now these are linked layers. So next year when I update this, I should just be able to update the link and replace it with whatever the new version is, and hopefully it works. Unless I am, again, mistaking this for some feature in a different program, like Illustrator or in InDesign, but I don't think so. I think I should just double-click this. Oops. after editing these contents. Oops. Uh-oh, what did I do? Something terrible. Is there a link window? Maybe I should make sure. Info. Isn't there like a linking? Maybe it's under properties. Linked smart object. Relink. Okay, so I can't do that. Good. Excellent. So there is my first. Look at that. That's why is that C cut off? No, now it's fine. This is strange. Let's call this the 5,000 word version for students. Okay, so this is the promotion for. Save this as promotion kids. Turn this off, maximize compatibility my theory with. There's the 2018 version. This is not the one version for students, so I can test my linking thing. Properties. Where did I see that again? I need to select this, and I need to what? Relink to file. Instead of relinking it to the 50K version, I want to do it to this version, and that was purple kids. Let's see if this works. Please work. Please work. Why did it jump down? That's so mysterious. It's a little bit concerning. What is the difference? Why did that jump down? Kids purple. Oops. Oh, that's the 2017 version. Damn it. Close. Kids purple. That's so strange. These were the same source files? Did I actually jog this calendar thing up? The words are different? So mysterious. Okay, let's update this one. Right click, relink to file. This one is the green one. Let's see if this one jumps too. Jumps down. Maybe they are different. So weird. I'll have to check that file. I guess it's alright. It should fit. It should fit. Let's take a look at this again. And there's border looks the same. This is, they don't look like they're jumping to me. That's a Photoshop thing. Concerning. Anyway. So I don't seem to have like a. There's a variation I thought I had last year that had all of the things there. This is a kids version, but maybe I didn't save it. Should I just make the new one? Yeah, let's do that. Let's make a promotion for, this is the kids one, so let's just make a regular promotion one. Save that as this. Replace it. Sure. And what we want to do... How many calendars do I have this year? I have one... Oops, wrong. How does this keep opening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 7 of them, but I don't need to show all of them. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll show these 6. So I need that divided by. Okay. So what I probably should be able to do is take. Let's get rid of these. And let's get rid of this. Oh, I got rid of the wrong one. I want to get rid of this one, and this one. Delete that. Let's resize this one. So it's approximately so I can get 3 of them across. Okay, I guess layers do. You don't need to hold down shift to unconstrain them. I guess that's what Ali was saying. Yeah, I just never noticed it before. 1, 2, 3. That might be an okay size. That has the backgrounds on it. And we want to duplicate these suckers. Oops. And this new snap thing is kind of cool. Let's merge these all together. All right. Actually, I'm gonna do the rest of this offline, I think. So, anyway, that's. You have the calendars updated. I will put them up soon and post everywhere where they are. So, that's strange. How come I lost my camera there? So that's for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all later.